Hey, welcome back everybody. So today I'm doing a quick blend on a fender. I'll show you how I do that. I'll actually do it in real time because it's just one little spot, and I'll show you, some of the things that I do to kind of get the paint to blend in on the rest of the fender, and that way hopefully I don't have to blend the other panels. I've got it matched pretty daggone close with the camera, so let's see how this comes out and get this thing blended in. So the Sorrento came out really nice, and I'll show you real quick here what it looked like after I got it done, right here, and that is a pretty close match. Now, you saw me in the video kind of taking my time, and I would have to spray a little bit, and I would stop, come back and spray a little bit more. And what I was doing in that is, if you're familiar with the heavy metallic paints, which this was of course aluminum, and it's one of the hardest ones to match and spray if you're doing a spot in or a separate body panel or whatever. So basically what I had to do, I had to mist it all over just to get a good coverage on it. I knew it wasn't going to match on the first coat, so then I had to come back with the second coat and get a little bit more coverage on it and see how close it was to the original finish. And then the third time, a good all over coat, and after I let that dry, it looked close enough. I could tell once I got the clear on it, it would pretty well match. And I've done it enough to where I kind of have an idea. It's probably going to take me 3 times to do that, and that's why I did it that way. And like I said, it looked like that before, so if you notice, that's a huge improvement over this. And now you can tell what I'm talking about when I say the color match, because if you go on too light, it's going to be a little bit lighter than the original finish, and if you go on too heavy, it's going to be a little bit darker. So I kind of had to just build it up into where it would match. Now we're good. But that one's out of the way. Now we've got this in here, and that's what we're getting ready to get back on the OBS build and get started on the main part of the body, because the rest of the repair is already done. So now I'll start on the bed, work my way forward, and get this thing in shape and ready to spray. And I think you're gonna like the color we got picked out. I'm not gonna give it away yet, but soon enough. Just keep watching, you're gonna like it. Got some other goodies you're gonna like even better. But for now, thanks for watching, folks. If you want to see more of it, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode.